Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to download and install iOS 26 beta on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to general. From here, tap on software update, and from here you will find the option of beta updates. Now if you cannot find the option of beta updates, first of all, just make sure you enroll your Apple ID to the developer beta program. To do that, just go to your home screen and open the Safari app. Now in the search bar, just search developer.apple.com. Then tap on the two lines at the upper left corner on the display, then go to account. Now in this section, just enter your Apple ID. Now once you enter your Apple ID, just tap on continue. Now just enter the password of your Apple ID and make sure you enter the Apple ID which you are using on your smartphone. Now once you enter the password of your Apple ID, just tap on sign in. Select allow. Now just enter the code which you have received on your Apple ID. Then select trust. Now once you're on this page, just go to your home screen. Now just restart your iPhone. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Then slide to power off. Now just wait for a few seconds, then press and hold on the power button to turn on your iPhone. Now once you restart your iPhone, just go back to the settings app, then go to general. From here, tap on software update and you should find the option of beta updates. Now if you still cannot find the beta updates option, then just make sure you use your old Apple ID. Now once you find the beta updates option, just tap on it, and from here just select iOS 26 developer beta. Now just go back, and from here you will find the option to update your iPhone to iOS 26. Now just select update now to update your iPhone. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. Now just swipe up to open your iPhone. Now as you can see, the software update has been completed. Now just tap on continue and select don't share. Now just tap on get started. Now as you can see, we have successfully updated our iPhone to iOS 26. And this is how you can download and install iOS 26 beta on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.